Hi, I'm Paujiner and I'm gonna talk about the interaction pattern that I'm exploring. Touch devices are really great and they come with gestures that are very convenient often, but I have a particular issue with lists that are expected to be reordered by dragging. So we can have a to-do list, like this example where we try to move one item from the top to the bottom, and although dragging seems a very natural pattern in this kind of devices, it comes with a lot of problems as you have to press and drag, and here it's one idea and supporting that by tapping, that you can enter this sorting mode, you tap on one element and then you can freely scroll. You don't need to drag your finger until the position that you want and you just select that. It's intended to be a simple approach and I hope can be useful and iterate it further. Thanks everyone.